So here I have my free WordPress website with the subdomain, and I'll show you how to verify it with the search console. So you can see it's pocketcheats.wordpress.com. It's a subdomain, and I'll just show you how you can verify it in the search console for greater audience. So what you have to do is you have to click over here. You have to add properties. Yep, I'll just add something so that I can show you guys. You see, you come over here, you have to just go for the HTML tag and copy this meta tag name, and then you have to go to your the dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Go to the tools, marketing, and then go to traffic, and then over here you have to paste your the site verification content. Then you will have to just save it and then verify it, and your site will be verified with the search console, and you will be able to uh, make your pages indexed. Like you can just have that and just test URL and request indexing so that your pages can be indexed. So that's all.